Now, answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
Hello there and welcome. Welcome, Gary.
Good to be here. Thank you.
We have some great questions today. The first one is an email question. I'm going to go ahead and read it. I may have a claim and I think the other guy's insurance is going to pay, but should I tell my own insurance about it? And will my rates go up?
Well, the easy answer and the quick answer is yes, tell your insurance company about it because there may be some need for your insurance.
Yeah.
Sometimes just because you think the other person has coverage or enough coverage, they don't. So there's times when maybe your car is worth more than $25,000 and all they have is $25,000 in property damage coverage. Well, in that situation, you're going to have to use your own coverage. So put them on notice because there's some bad law that says if you don't, you might be prejudicing them. That is, they can't do what they need to do to defend themselves. So there's some law in Georgia that says if you don't let your insurance company know about a potential claim, particularly with regard to uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage, then you might lose that coverage even before the statute of limitations. So you've got to let them know.
Yep.
So you got to let them know. Your rates, by the way, should not go up. They can go up if you're a lousy driver. You know, if the wreck was your fault, then they're going to go up. You know, but if it isn't your fault, they fight awfully hard to get customers. We see commercials all the time because they want to add people to their roles. So they're not going to dump you on the road or raise your rates generally if it's not your fault.
Okay, very good, very good. I learned something new myself today. Okay, in the news, what is your opinion of this college admission scandal?
Yeah, how about this? So what happened to meritocracy, you know, like earn it? Well, most people still do, I think. You got to have the good grades and the high scores to get into these elite schools. But this is a real crazy thing, you know?
Is.
So we've got the side door. That's what they're calling it, Maureen. Not the back door. I think the back door is Granddaddy builds a wing on the science building. You know, we kind of understand that one's going on. So that one, all right, whatever, let him in. But this one was pretending to be on the rowing team or pretending to be on the football team. And the real crime, I think, where you're going to see people indicted and in trouble is when they made these alleged what do you call them, charitable donations to this charity that was set up by the guy when they're not a charity. So they're writing it off as a charitable donation when it really was a payment to get their kid into school. I don't know. I think it's going to be interesting to see what comes of it. It's disappointing, to say the least.
Yeah, very, very good. Great. Thank you so much for joining us today, Gary. Great questions. Keep them coming. We'll see you on the very next Legal Break.